Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. This video is about JBL Flip 4 Bluetooth speaker. Company states it is an IPX7 waterproof device. IP means ingress protection, X stands for solid object or dust protection. Here they have not mentioned what amount of solid object or dust protection it has, the device supports. And 7, that is the last digit 7, stands for waterproofing. That is, this device can be immersed in water at the depth of 1 meter or less than 1 meter, not more than 1 meter, and it can be kept in 1 meter of water, depth of water, for 30 minutes or less. If you keep it more than 30 minutes, it may get damaged. The company won't give warranty for that. Now, the thing here is, I visited a beach, a seashore, and then I thought, let me try whether this device can withstand the sea water, salt water. So I immersed it, and let's check the result. I request you to kindly watch the video till the end. Subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Hit the like icon. If you do not like anything or any part in this video, I request you kindly not to hit the unlike icon, but rather you can please comment what part you didn't like, whether you didn't like me or the way I talk or the device, something which I said in the device, about the device or in the device, and etc, etc. I humbly request you to kindly post in the comments what you didn't like rather than clicking on the unlike icon. So let's continue with the video. I request you to kindly watch the video till the end. I would like to add one more thing. In the video you will see that it will appear that I am pulling the speaker in the seawater, but it's not so. I am standing at a place and just holding the speaker in the seawater, and the waves are pulling it to and fro. Uploading the reparation video as part 2 of this video. Hope you will enjoy the videos. Once again, I would like to request you to subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. Hit the like icon and share the video. Let's continue with the video. Hello everyone, today let's dip this JBL Flip 4 Bluetooth speaker into this seawater. Here we will dip in this seawater and check for its working even after dipping it in the seawater. So, it's completely, you can see, it is even playing, still it's playing. When it's inside the water, I see that it is getting disconnected because the Bluetooth device which is connected to it is little bit far. If I leave this tag, then the Bluetooth speaker will go inside the sea. It will flow inside because the waves force is too much. It's immersed in the sand. Oh my god. The waves are too getting harsh, and the water has come inside onto my phone as well. So, okay. Let's check for it's working now. Let me take it out. It's working, it's still working. You can see sand inside. You can see sand inside the passive over here on the sides. Here you see this side there is no sand, but in this side we see sand. Okay. The speaker is still playing. So now what I'll do is I will remove all the sand by using the normal water. I'll take it to my bathroom here in the resort and I will clean it. Okay, I bought the speaker here and now let me clean it by using this water. Okay. I don't know how much percent it is water resistant, etc. I heard some sort of disturbing noise. So that's all the sand from inside these passive woofers is drained out. Okay. So now only thing is it is showing battery low, but morning when I had checked battery was full, still full. Maybe I played it for around 20 to 30 minutes, but after that now it is showing only 1 point, that is it is showing as battery low battery. I will charge it. Let's see whether it will charge to full or not. So let me switch it off and switch it on again and check, or else I'll do one thing. I'll first it's not switching on, so let me dry it first. Let me place it here in the sunlight for drying. Okay, let it dry and then we'll continue. So here let us check whether any water inside. Here I don't see any water. There is this cap here, there is no water inside, which means that this gasket is good. So let it dry and later we'll check. After placing the JBL speaker for more than half an hour in the bright sunlight, so it is totally dry, but I can still see some sand inside, so I will brush it up later. But there is no damage to the speaker from external damage outer side, that is there is no external damage. So as you can see, I am pressing the passive woofer here from this side diaphragm, and here you can see the other side it is moving. So this shows that there is no air gap or damage to the speaker, but it appears that the speaker is quite cleaner than earlier. Okay, let's connect it to the charger because the battery is totally down. So I'll connect it to charger and check it. Okay, now here we are. I have connected the power bank. I have connected the charger. The speaker is damaged, I think so, because here you can see only the, as you can see, it is blinking The charging light is not blinking. So let me connect a charger and check. So I'll connect this charger. It takes charge. I've switched on the charger, but I don't see anything on the speaker. There is no response from the speaker. When I press the power key, you see the light just switches on and flashes, that's all. See, if I press and hold, it's not starting. I think the seawater has entered inside the subwoofer. So I need to go to my workshop and then continue with disassembling of the speaker and check what damages the seawater has caused to the speaker. The conclusion is that you cannot allow your IPX7 devices to be immersed in seawater. Whether they are smartwatches, whether they are smartphones or any other device which has the certification of IPX7 or IPX8, they cannot be immersed in seawater, or they cannot be immersed in a place where the water is flowing. IPX7, it only means that you can immerse the device if the device falls in a still water, standing water for 1 meter depth for 30 minutes. So here you saw in the video that the waves were splashing on the device. This might have caused the device or the water to enter inside the device. I am not sure. I am not sure why the water entered inside the device, because all the gaskets were safe in their places. None of the gaskets were damaged, nothing. Even we saw that some sand, minute sand, was also inside the speaker. I don't know from where it entered, but here it shows that this speaker IPX7 device, it cannot be immersed in seawater. And also I'd like to say that this device, the device which I immersed in seawater, it is nearly more than 4 years old. So we can't blame it. We can't blame the device or the company. Maybe after 4 years it might have lost its property of waterproof. But seeing the gaskets, the rubber, etc., none of the rubbers are hardened, nothing. They are still good appearance, good in their appearance. So that is the conclusion, that better not to immerse the IPX7 devices into seawater or flowing water or sprays, jet spray, high pressure water spray, low pressure water spray, etc. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in keeping safe your devices from falling into the seawater. If this video was helpful for you or you like the video, I'd like to request you once again to subscribe to my channel, hit the like icon and share the video. If you do not like the video or any part of this video, I would request you not to hit the unlike icon. Rather, please comment in the comment section and I will try to improve my videos. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.